Once again, Tropical Storm Ondoy's destructiveness surprised many who thought it was just going to be another run-of-the-mill weather disturbance. Weather experts say the unusual ferocity of Ondoy is a symptom of climate change and a sample of more storms to come. ABS-CBN senior correspondent Karen Davila tells us more.
Ondoy was not a typhoon, it was just a tropical storm, supposedly a weaker form of weather disturbance. But no one could have predicted that Ondoy would dump 1 month's worth of rain in just 9 hours. Mansions like these, which never experienced floods before, went underwater.
Basta tumaas na po siya ng paunti-unti. Opo, umabot po siya ng hanggang 5 level, hanggang mga dito.
So parang inisip nyo na dilubyo na yun, katapusan na?
Opo, natakot po kami kasi mga kapitbahay namin. Lumangoy na po para makapunta dito sa bahay.
Pag-asa says rich and poor alike will feel the effects of climate change.
Kung ikaw ay mayaman, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na ligtas ako sa epekto ng climate change. At ang responsibilidad, hindi natin kayang pigilan ang pagbabago ng klima, pero kaya nating paghandaan.
Scientists say the world has become warmer. Since the 1970s, the planet's average temperature has risen by 0.61 degrees centigrade. Oxfam says this is the reason why Ondoy packed an unusual amount of rain.
Kasi yung hinihigop ng araw dahil mas mainit na ngayon, mas marami yung tubig na naiipon sa himpapawid natin at malakas yung enerhiya na yun pag naipon, pag bumagsak yun ay grabe rin at tinatansya na magiging mas madalas pa yung ganitong mga events habang umiinit ang ating daigdig.
Ondoy's rainfall intensity even beat Hurricane Katrina, which devastated the state of New Orleans and killed 1,500 people in 2005. While Hurricane Katrina dumped 380 milliliters of rain, Ondoy inundated Metro Manila with 410 milliliters of rainfall.
Pag dito sa atin, sa Metro Manila, ay tagaraw, buwan ng Disyembre, Enero, Pebrero. Pero sa ibang lugar naman ng ating bansa, doon naman ang tagulan nila. Tingnan mo yung pagguho ng lupa sa Ginsaungon. Nangyari yan ay Pebrero. Walang kaulan-ulan dito sa Metro Manila.
Experts say there is no doubt that the Philippines is already experiencing the effects of climate change.
Kailangan na natin pag-isipan ngayon yung mga long-term strategies natin, katulad ng adaptation strategies. Yung ating engineering and infrastructure, kailangan climate-proof na natin yan. Yung ating agrikultura, kailangan makakasabay na dun sa mga threats.
This year, Taiwan and Vietnam also experienced massive flooding because of climate change. A disaster risk reduction bill is now pending in Congress. Congressman TG Gingona, who authored the bill, says a new government agency is needed, which will oversee the disaster preparedness plan. Reporting for News Central, Karen Davila, ABS-CBN News.
The Bayanihan Spirit